Welcome back to another sew along video. Today we're going to be making this gorgeous Yvonne peplum or dress. To get started, let's cut out all our pieces. You're going to need 2 of the front bodice, 2 of the back bodice. You're going to cut out 2 of the outer sleeve and 2 of the inner sleeve. I'm making the peplum, so I cut out 2 middle ruffles, 2 bottom ruffles, and then I'm adding heart pockets. So I cut out 4 of those. We are making the open heart back. To do that, take your main piece and your liner piece and clip them right sides together. Then sew around the heart. Once you've sewn around the heart, you can flip the liner piece inside the heart, and this is going to cause both pieces to become right sides out. To make the top of the heart a little bit more pointy, you can use a turner tool and just take it and push where that point is, and it will help sharpen the point at the top of the heart. This part is totally optional, but I did top stitch my heart. I feel like it makes it lay a little bit better. Once you finish the back heart, we're going to be using the burrito roll method to finish the neckline. So take it and just roll the bottom piece all the way up towards the top, and then you're going to be putting the sides together and clipping it. Once you've rolled them and clipped them, your pieces should be right sides together. After you're done clipping, you're going to sew just the neckline, not the shoulders. We've now sewed that top part. You can just pull your bodice through that area where we just sewed, and your neckline will be finished. Now that that's done, let's finish the top neckline of the front bodice piece. Because the heart's not in the middle, we don't have to do a burrito roll method. You're just going to lay them right sides together, clip, and sew just the neckline. Then flip the bodice piece wrong sides together, and now we can work on sewing the shoulders together. I like to lay out my bodice pieces, open the shoulder pieces, and then flip either the front or back onto each other, clip and sew. It makes it a little bit easier because this part often messes me up. Now you can sew the shoulder seams. The top of our bodice is coming together. The front and the back, it's looking so cute. You're doing such a great job. We can set that piece to the side and start working on the sleeves. I'm doing the long sleeve version, but the steps will be similar if you're doing short. We're going to gather the outer sleeve to be the same width as the inner sleeve. Do this to both sleeves for your shirt. Once you have it gathered, you're going to clip and sew it so that they are right sides together. Let's work on the top part of the sleeve. Gather the outer sleeve again to be the same width as the top of the inner sleeve. We're not going to sew them together yet. We're going to instead fold our sleeves in half, right sides together, and sew long ways. Do this to both sides and then flip them so that they are right sides out. Now let's finish our bodice piece. Take and fold the outer pieces, clip the sides together, and do the same for the liner, and then sew. Now that our bodice is done, we can flip it wrong side out so that we can attach our sleeves. Let's grab our sleeves. Make sure you grab both the inner sleeve and the outer sleeve, and we're going to pin this right sides together with the top bodice. Do this to both of your sleeves. Once you have it clipped in place, sew around the armscye. Now that the top is done, we can start working on the bottom. I am doing the pockets, so let's do that real quick. Take your pockets. You're going to place the hearts right sides together and sew, but leave a little bit of an area that you can flip them right sides out. We have our pockets done. Let's attach them to the top of the peplum or the top of the dress if that's the version that you're doing. Pin them in place. Once you have the pockets pinned in place, you're going to sew just partially around the hearts so there's still an opening at the top for them to be pockets. You can skip that step if you're not doing pockets. Take your top peplum piece or dress and sew down the sides. That is now done. We can grab our bottom peplum piece or dress, place them right sides together and sew down the sides. Then take it, and we're going to attach it, but first I like to hem the bottom before I gather it. So let's do that. Once you have this bottom piece hemmed, you can gather the top of this to fit the middle peplum piece. And then clip it in place before we sew it all around. The bottom peplum is now done. Now we're going to gather the top of that peplum to be the same width as the bodice piece and then clip it in place and sew. And there you have it, the Yvonne dress. She is so cute. She can be long sleeve or short sleeve, dress or top, a staple for your little one.